Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping and loosening edges so removal is controlled. First, clean the area to remove dirt that can scratch, then dry it. Next, apply steady heat from a hairdryer for about 30-60 seconds to soften the adhesive. Keep the heat moving so you don't warp plastic. Once heated, use your fingernail or a thin plastic card to lift one corner slowly. You want a small tab to pull from. This gives you leverage and reduces tearing as you continue. Continue by peeling the sticker slowly and deliberately so the adhesive releases evenly. Pull at a low angle, around 45 to 60 degrees, and maintain steady speed. Quick jerks increase residue or tearing. If adhesive stays, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol or citrus-based solvent to a cloth and dab the area to break down the glue. Make sure to reheat briefly before more scraping, and use a plastic scraper to avoid surface damage while removing softened residue. Finish by cleaning the surface to remove any remaining oils or solvent residue so the finish looks consistent. Wipe with mild detergent, rinse, and dry thoroughly. If needed, buff lightly to restore shine. If stubborn glue persists, soak a cloth in solvent and let it sit on the spot for 5 to 10 minutes before gently scraping again. If things go wrong, like discoloration or surface softening, stop immediately and test a milder cleaner in an inconspicuous area to verify compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.